Welcome to the Betterment Robo-advisor for Investing Review Usage Experience. Links to the platform are included in the description for your convenience. Betterment is one of the leading robo-advisors in the market, designed to simplify investing for individuals who want smart, automated, and personalized financial management. Whether you're just starting your investment journey or looking for hands-off portfolio management, Betterment offers a range of features tailored to your goals. Betterment's key feature is its automated investment approach, built around low-cost ETFs diversified across asset classes like stocks and bonds. It uses modern portfolio theory to optimize returns while balancing risk. The platform automatically rebalances your portfolio and performs tax loss harvesting for taxable accounts, which can help maximize after-tax returns. These automated processes make Betterment particularly appealing to investors who don't have the time or expertise to actively manage their investments. The platform offers tailored financial plans based on specific goals, including retirement, building wealth, or saving for a major expense. With its intuitive interface, users can set up goal-based investing in minutes and receive ongoing recommendations to stay on track. Additionally, Betterment provides features like Smart Deposit, which automatically invests surplus funds from your checking account, and Retire Guide, a tool that projects retirement savings needs and strategies. Betterment also caters to a wide audience with flexible account options, including individual and joint taxable accounts, IRAs, and trusts. For those seeking a personal touch, Betterment Premium gives access to certified financial planners for customized advice while still maintaining its low-cost structure. Its fee is 0.25% annually for the digital plan and 0.40% for the premium service, which is competitive in the robo-advisor market. Who is Betterment for? It's ideal for those who want to grow their wealth through automated investing without being bogged down by the complexities of the market. It's also suitable for tech-savvy individuals who value tools and insights to help them reach their financial goals. Overall, Betterment is a well-rounded choice for anyone seeking a user-friendly, cost-effective investment platform. For more details or to get started, check the links in the description below.